Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jordan here, and I'm back with another video. And today we have an unboxing video, well, unbagging. But we got an item from week 6. This is one of the spring tees. But before we open that, no luck on the Cupid tee, which was the main tee I wanted. Long story about that. Pretty much where I was had terrible internet and Supreme just wasn't loading, so I finally got one of the tees in the cart and checked out, sold out, tried another one, sold out, another one, sold out, and then they're just all gone. And then I was gonna go for the acrylics, for the acrylic photo frames, then those were sold out. But anyway, let's get into this package. You know what, we're just gonna get right into it. I don't even know why I have my knife, but oh, they're doing this again. I remember this from like last season when this happened, but I don't even know if I'm gonna need this knife, so I'm gonna set it down so I don't stab myself in the eyeball with it. We're just gonna go ahead and just rip it open and see where it gets us. So we got that. There we go. So we're in. And there were a bunch of stickers as well. For like the spring tees. Oh, and I can see I don't know how many stickers I got, but I can see some of them through the package. Supreme bag. There's a little bit of a thumbnail right there. And wow, this thing is like really sticking together. There we go. So I'm gonna take out all the stickers first. And I got, oh, it came in like the little sticker pack. So I got 3 stickers and I don't know what the middle one is. So I got the Who the F is Supreme sticker, which is pretty cool. The regular box logo, and I got another one right there. I can kind of see it in the corner, but I don't know what one it is. So I might open these just to see which one it is, to be honest. And my cat's on the stuff. Do I open this? Maybe if I... What is this sticker? It's a Susie Switchblade sticker, which is the tee I got. So, again, here's the bag. That took an incredible amount of time to figure out what the third sticker was. But the tee, I did get this Susie Switchblade tee, and toss the bag over there, and here it is. I don't know how I'm feeling about this one. Like, it's telling me to like it. I like the colors on it, and I do like this white. So this is Susie Switchblade tee, SS19 T6 white size medium. So we'll get a little bit more close up of it. So like, I'm looking at it, it's like I like the colors, I like the white with it, but I'm not sure if I really want to keep it. So it does say Supreme right there. But anyway, guys, that is going to wrap up this video. Just a quick spring summer 2019 week 6 unboxing. So like I said, I'm not really sure if I'm going to be keeping this tee. I'm kind of leaning towards keeping it because I kind of do like the colors. It has no resale value, so it's not even worth trying to sell. But then we also got, like I said, we also got the sticker pack with the Who the F is Supreme, the Susie Switchblade, and just a regular box logo. And if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, comment down below what you guys were able to pick up on week 6. Did you get the Cupid tee? What else did you get? Let me know. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Check my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, gaming channel. Everything will be in the description below. And I will see you guys all in the next video. That's it. Peace. Alright, so, I decided I am going to be keeping the tee, and it actually wasn't the Susie Switchblade sticker. It was actually the Toy Uzi sticker.